Hey guys, how are you? My name's Julia and I'm new here on Missy Confidential. I am going to be creating this lovely look for you guys with a really bold oxblood colour, perfect for the winter time. I hope you guys enjoy this video and I'll see you guys on the flip side. With my Maybelline's Instant Age Rewind Concealer, I'm just concealing all my dark circles and then I'm going to be blending it out with my finger. And with my Rimmel Wake Me Up foundation, I'm just going to be using that all over my face. I feel that this is perfect for the winter time because it has a tiny bit of shimmer in it, so it makes your skin look really dewy and really glowy. Now with my Dream Lumi Touch Highlighting Concealer, I'm just starting this under my eyes and then bringing it up towards my cheekbones. I'm using this as a highlighter, just keeping with the really nice and dewy trend for the winter time. I'm also going to bring whatever's left of my finger down my nose, on my cupid's bow, and a little bit on the top of my chin. And with my Fit Me powder, I'm just grabbing it on a little blush brush and I'm just going to dot it on my T-zone. Actually, I'm not going to be applying this all over my face because we still want that really dewy look. With this matte brown shadow by Revison, I'm actually just going to grab it on a angled foundation brush. Also, I'm just going to draw a line like that, whatever's left of my brush, and just bring it down towards the end of my jawline and then up towards my temples as well. I'm just going to start to blend it away a little bit. And just to blend that out further, I'm just going to grab the same brush that I used for my powder and just blend away all the harsh edges. Now I'm going to go in with a cream blush by Stila, and I'm just going to put this on my cheekbones and then down a little bit onto the ball of my cheek. So now that we have our face all finished, I'm just going to go in with my brows, and I'm just using the Maybelline Master Precise Eyebrow Pencil. With a really light eyeshadow, I'm just highlighting my brow bone just so that my eyebrows pop a little bit more. Just going with the same eyeshadow that I used to contour earlier, and I'm just putting this through my crease and through the outer portion of my eye. I'm just blending it out with a big fluffy eyeshadow brush. Really tiny brush. I'm just going in with a Colour Tattoo in Belly Branded, and I'm just highlighting my inner corner and taking that under the waterline and tightline of my eye. My Maybelline Master Precise eyeliner, I'm just grabbing it and drawing a kind of thick line across my eye. So now I'm just going in with my Rimmel Lash Accelerator Mascara. This is my favourite mascara right now. Now before you go in with any lip products, you want to make sure that your lips are moisturised and exfoliated. So I'm going in with a really dark shade of lip liner, and I'm just going to draw a line, and you want to go ahead and fill your lips in with the liner. So what the lip liner does, it actually prevents your lipstick from bleeding, and it also helps your lipstick to stay on longer. And just to make sure that your lipstick stays on the longest time possible, I'm just grabbing a little tissue and I'm just going to blot my lips away. And I have 4 lipsticks to show you guys that are absolutely perfect for this look. The first lipstick that is a lipstick by the brand Prorance in the shade Red Wine. The next one that I have is a Napoleon Perdis lipstick, and this is in the shade Corporal Drama. So the third lipstick is by Maybelline, and it is in the Superstay 14-hour line. The last lip colour that I have to show you guys is a colour that I'm going to be using today. This is Plum Perfect by Maybelline. What I'm going to be doing first is just blotting it onto my lips. And I'm going to be blotting my lips onto the tissue again. And I'm going to be blotting the lipstick onto my lips one more time. I'm repeating the same process again. And I know this is a very time-consuming process, but this just ensures that your lipstick stays beautiful for the whole entire day. Finally, going in with your lipstick like a normal person would, I'm just going to swipe this all over my lips. Grab any translucent powder on your brush and a tissue. Make sure it's just one slice of tissue. So you just grab the tissue on top of your lips like this, and just grab your brush and just kind of dab it onto your lips. And what that does is it sets your lipstick kind of like a setting agent for your foundation or like your concealer, so it makes sure that your lipstick stays on all day and all night. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and I'll see you guys at Missy Confidential later. Bye!